SSIH.
I'm Disha.
I'm Mori.
And today we're going to show you our rooms
in Soshigaya dorm.
So first, let's get into the gate.
No. Okay.
Okay. Okay, so we have bed here, and then chairs, tables, bookshelf, and more shelves. And what's more, we've got closet one, the smaller closet, and then the last thing, we've got more space here to put clothes. So here's what our bathroom looks like. We have a toilet and a sink and a mirror, and the shower room is shared. Okay guys, that's it for today. Make sure to follow us on Instagram to keep up our activities. And we'll see you guys next videos. Bye!